Hello everyone, how are you all? So Christmas is just around the corner and I'm so excited, happy. Christmas is coming. So right now I'm here in a very nice mall called Geo World Plaza, which is in Mumbai, India. So I have just done a pre-Christmas shopping, a little something from Dior. So I'm sitting here in a very nice coffee shop. I just finished my coffee and I thought why not I do the unboxing here itself in the coffee shop. So let's start the unboxing. This is the this is the invoice for the item which I bought today from Dior, and ta-da! So the item is here in this small shopping packet because it's a very small item, yet very beautiful. So are you guys excited? Let's go and do the unboxing. Ta-da! So this is a pre-Christmas shopping, you guys. In Christmas I'll be buying a bag. So this is little something from Dior, like pre-Christmas. Let's go and open it. So all the Christmas jingles are going on in the mall. They are playing Christmas jingle, and voila. So there you go. So the packet looks so pretty. They have given a gorgeous packet, and ta-da! The item is here in this small beautiful box. So let's do the unboxing. So cute. Yay. So the box says Dior and it's their Christmas packaging. It's not their regular packaging, it's their Christmas packaging. And are you guys excited like me? Ta-da! So this is a very beautiful earrings, you guys. I bought from Dior. It's dainty, it's beautiful. It's everything you can ask from Dior. So these are little earrings which I bought from Dior, like pre-Christmas shopping. Yeah. So I'm sitting here in this small and beautiful, not very small, very beautiful coffee shop, and my unboxing is done. So it is a golden color hoop dangling. So Dior is written in the gold metal, and those Swarovskis inside. So yeah, so that was the unboxing, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing from a nice coffee shop. Christmas vibe is all over. So this was my little pre-Christmas shopping. So yeah, that is it. Merry Christmas, you guys. Enjoy the Christmas month, and you guys have a good one. Cheers to you all, and I'll be back with one more unboxing of a bag very soon, which I'll be buying in Christmas. This was my pre-Christmas. Thank you a lot for watching. I love you all. Merry Christmas.